Hello everyone, it's me. This is gonna be my first audition video in basically a long time. I'm gonna be trying out for the Waffle Maiden's anime, Nature Child. I will be trying out for Crystal and Teacher 2. I really don't care if I get a backup part. Let me try out for Crystal first. Am I really that good? Well, at least I have a GCSE in sarcasm. And here's Teacher 2. I have just one question. Where have you been? I don't know is not an answer. Get out of my classroom. Alright, there we go.